Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on location and high accuracy modes so sensors can deliver fixes. Next, give the app both foreground and background permissions. Without background access, you lose continuous traces. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and cellular radios are active because hybrid positioning uses them. Then open your diagnostic view and request an immediate location fix to confirm a satellite lock or network estimate. If the first fix fails, retry with a short delay while monitoring satellite and network indicators. You now gather position samples using the best available providers: GPS for meter-level accuracy and Wi-Fi or cellular for quick course locations. Once you get raw fixes, apply filtering, Kalman or exponential smoothing to reduce jitter. Also use assisted GPS or server-side GPS data to speed satellite acquisition. Make sure to adapt sampling intervals. Higher frequency improves tracking but drains battery, so dynamically lower rate when speed is low. Finally, tag each sample with accuracy. You finish by fusing validated samples into a single track. Combine GPS, network positions, and device motion sensors to fill gaps and reject outliers. Next, persist records with lat/lon, timestamp, accuracy, provider, and inferred speed so you can replay or analyze later. Then render the path on a map to visually confirm plausibility. If positions jump or freeze, use the following troubleshooting tip. Verify permissions and sensor hardware. Inspect reported accuracy values, and temporarily increase timeout or switch providers to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.